and meet him. There's a good chance he's going to go to Orlando. I'm not sure if I'm going or not, but I'd sure like to this year.
That's February.
Oh, what's that?
That's February?
Yeah, second weekend in February.
What's down there? Some big ham fest?
Yeah, Hamcation. It's the second largest ham fest in the country.
And we doubled. I said, that's a good time to go down there around that time of year.
It's beautiful. I've always had good weather, and it's the second largest ham fest, and they got great accommodations in the fairgrounds there. It's great. They have buildings, so when it gets too hot, you can go in the buildings. They've got a big arcade area. They've got a huge outside area for sales, and all the dealers go there too.
So what are you going to do, buy a new radio or a solid-state amplifier?
I go down there to see old friends from both down in Florida and